Grinding fresh coffee beans for espresso. Plug the appliance in at the mains and switch on at the supply. Take off the lid, fill the container with the desired amount of fresh coffee beans and replace the lid. To measure the correct amount of beans for the number of cups you want to make, remember that 1 tablespoon of coffee beans equals approximately 1 cup of coffee. Turn the quantity dial to the number of cups you want to make. Turn the grinder dial towards a fine setting. Press the on-off button once to start the grinding process. When the coffee is ground to a fine enough consistency, the grinder stops automatically. Pull out the coffee tray, take off the lid and the fresh ground espresso coffee is ready to use.